titled Chapter 1, A Father's Dream, A Son's Prayers. Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him, belonged to the city of located in ancient Babylon, in present-day Iraq. His father's name was Azar, a leader among his people. But Azar was not just a father, he was an idol maker. He carved idols from stone with his own hands and told people to worship them, to ask their needs from these lifeless stones. From a young age, Ibrahim was a thoughtful and curious soul. He would look at the sun, the moon, the stars, but his heart was never convinced that these could be divine. One day he spoke to his father. "Father, what are these things that you worship? They neither hear nor speak, nor can they protect from harm. So how can they be gods?" Azar was deeply offended. Angrily, he shouted, "If you insult my gods again, I will stone you to death." Azar threw his own son out of the house just because he spoke the truth. But Prophet Ibrahim didn't stop there. He gave the message to his entire people, but the people refused to listen. Even the tyrant king Nimrod summoned him to court. Nimrod asked, "What does your Lord do?" Ibrahim replied, "My Lord gives life and death." Nimrod said, "I too give life and death." And he killed an innocent man and spared a criminal. Then Ibrahim said, "My Lord brings the sun from the east. If you are a god, bring it from the west." Nimrod was silenced. He had no reply. Yet despite being speechless, Nimrod imprisoned Ibrahim and ordered him to be thrown alive into a blazing fire. The fire was prepared, so intense that birds couldn't fly over it. But when Prophet Ibrahim was thrown into the flames, Allah commanded, "O fire, be cool and peaceful for Ibrahim." And the fire cooled. Not a single burn, not even his clothes were harmed. After this trial, Prophet Ibrahim left his people and migrated. With him was his wife, Sarah. He continued praying to Allah, "My Lord, grant me righteous offspring." Years passed, the prayers continued, but no child was born. Then one day, Sarah herself said, "Ibrahim, marry Hajar. Perhaps Allah will bless you with a child through her." Hajar was Sarah's maid, pious, obedient, and patient. Prophet Ibrahim married her, and sometime later, Allah gave him the glad tidings. So we gave him good news of a gentle, forbearing son. فَبَشَّرْنَاهُ بِغُلَامٍ حَلِيمٍ. This son was Prophet Ismail. Then came another command from Allah. Ibrahim was to take Hajar and their newborn son to a barren, lifeless valley, Makkah, a land with no water, no trees, no people, no animals. Hajar asked, "Are you leaving us here by Allah's command?" Prophet Ibrahim nodded and walked away. As he reached some distance, he raised his hands and prayed, "My Lord, I have settled some of my offspring in a barren valley near your sacred house. Rabbana inni askantu min duriyati biwadin ghairi dhi zarin inda baytika al-muharram." Hajar searched for water, running between Safa and Marwa 7 times. Then Allah caused a miracle. Water gushed forth beneath baby Ismail's feet. This was Zamzam, and to this day, millions of pilgrims retrace those same steps during Hajj. Time passed. Ismail grew older, an obedient, righteous son full of love for his father. And then one night, Prophet Ibrahim saw a dream. He was sacrificing his son. This was no ordinary dream. A prophet's dream is revelation. Second night, the same dream. Third night, again. Prophet Ibrahim understood this was a command from Allah. The next morning, he spoke to his son. "My dear son, I have seen in a dream that I am sacrificing you. What do you think? What son could ever say yes to such a request?" But Prophet Ismail replied, "Father, do what you are commanded. You will find me, if Allah wills, among the patient." Father and son walked together. They reached the field. Ibrahim laid his son down, blindfolded himself so that his emotions wouldn't stop him from obeying. And then he moved the knife. But the knife didn't cut, for this was a test. A voice came. O Ibrahim, you have fulfilled the vision, thus do we reward those who do good. Ismail's was spared, and in his place a great ram was sacrificed. This was not just an event. This was a turning point in human history. It taught the world forever that faith, obedience, and sacrifice are the greatest acts in the sight of Allah. Sacrifice isn't just slaughtering an animal. It's sacrificing your desires, your time, your ego for the sake of Allah. Now the question is for all of us, are we ready to sacrifice our own Ismail? Be it wealth, desires, time, or pride, can we surrender them for Allah?